What's going on, everyone? This is Vince with VShred.com. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a style of HIIT called EMOM, or every minute on the minute. Now, you may have seen a lot of CrossFitters doing this style of workout, but it's not only for CrossFit. So get ready to get your butt kicked because this is a tough one.
I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick follow along workout that can be adjusted to fit any kind of fitness level that you might be in just a minute. But while EMOM and HIIT style training are great for almost everyone, to optimize your fitness goals, there are specific ways that you need to both train and eat that's totally based on your body type. And this is the reason I created my body type quiz, to help me figure out where your starting point is and what your end goal is. Then figuring out the fastest path from point A to point B so that you can actually get real results and be happy. My body type quiz is free. It asks you 5 questions. Then there's a video at the end that shows you everything that you need in order to get in shape. And so if you want to check it out, I'll put a link to it right in the description below this video. It's awesome and it's helped thousands of people around the world get in awesome shape. So I'm sure it can help you as well. So EMOM is still interval training. It's just a slightly different style. Now, as the name suggests, essentially you start a new movement with a specific goal rep count every minute. Once you complete the prescribed number of reps, you get to recover for the rest of the minute before moving on to the next exercise. This means rest time is factored into each minute, which means the slower you work, the less rest you get. A cardio-focused EMOM workout will usually include a higher rep count and no or very low weights. Think burpees and squat jumps and other explosive movements, and it'll probably call for somewhere between 10 to 20 reps per movement. For the follow-along workout that I'm gonna be doing today, it's gonna be a little mixture of both cardio and some light functional training. And while you technically have 1 full minute to get the work done, our goal is to finish the work portion in the first 45 seconds or less so that you have at least 15 seconds to recover. This will allow you to keep up the intensity from round to round, but I do not want you to sacrifice your form to get it done in 45 seconds. And then after we've repeated all of these exercises, we're gonna rest for 3 minutes. Now, if you don't need that much rest, you can knock your rest down to a minute. If you need more rest, you can go up to 5 minutes, but try to keep it in that 1 to 5 minute range. And after we're done, you can complete this for as many cycles as you want. It doesn't matter who you are, this is a great workout for anybody. All right, so there you have it. Now, if you found yourself unable to do the number of reps prescribed, or you finished with only a few seconds to rest at the end of each minute, chances are the rep range is just a bit too challenging for your fitness level right now. So try decreasing the reps by just a few, or lightening, or getting rid of the weight, or doing modifications like knee push-ups instead of regular, or no push-ups on the burpees. Whatever you can manage for 45 seconds of the minute, and then as you progress, you can add all that back in later. So if you liked this style of workout, make sure and comment below and tell us your thoughts if you want to see more EMOM follow along workouts. But if you want to see any other kind of videos, leave a comment below for that as well. And make sure you're never missing out on new content. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.